Forget that boring, static look. Today, we're diving into how to create a truly realistic and dynamic fire effect right inside Adobe After Effects. First, create a new composition inside your new project. Create a new solid layer for the fire itself. Now, let's add the magic. We'll be using a powerful tool called CC Particle Systems. You can find it by searching CC Particle Systems in your Effects and Presets panel and drag it to your solid layer. Now, let's customize. First, experiment with the birth rate. It controls how many particles the system generates per second. You'll also adjust the longevity of the particles. This determines how long each flame lasts. Set it in line with your goal for our fire. We want a higher birth rate and a slightly shorter longevity. Next, adjust particle type to fade or line for a more wispy effect. Next, we'll move the emitter section. The emitter type setting controls where that fire starts from. Try point for simple fire, line for columns, and more advanced shapes. Experiment with its position to decide where the base of the flames emerge in the particle section. You can change the flame size based on what you want. Now, for the important part, let's dial in the fire's behavior. In the physics section, the gravity is how the flames act. Set it to your goal. Head over to the particle color section. Here you can change the color of the fire. Use the colors and color ramp to select the colors you want here. Experiment with adding various shades of orange, red, and a touch of yellow. This is where you'll see your realistic flame taking shape. Adjust the color over lifespan until you get that vibrant effect. And with those final adjustments, congratulations! You have a dynamic, realistic flame effect. By experimenting with these fundamental controls, things like motion, you can really enhance your flames.